Okay, I'm just going to go through the process of downloading and installing MetaMask. Okay, so just go to Google and type in MetaMask, and you should come up to this website, metamask.io. So just click on that. Okay, so it's a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. So this is the right one. So just double check metamask.io. Just go to download, and then you need to select whether it's going to be a Apple phone, if you're accessing it by your mobile phone, or Android, or Chrome. So install MetaMask for your browser. So this is a Chrome extension. So just press install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so this should come up here. There's a video tutorial or video regarding the MetaMask, what it does. But you just go to here, add to Chrome. If you add the extension, it's just checking. Okay, so MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Use the extension by clicking on this icon, by pressing Alt. So okay, so connected to your Ethereum and decentralized web. We're happy to see you. So get started. Click on get started. So it will ask you if you're new to MetaMask. No, I already have a secret recovery, but this is a new fresh installation, so we have to create the wallet. So click on create a wallet. Okay, help us improve MetaMask. Just agree to those terms. Okay. So you just need to create a password. So I'll just type in the password. And just retype in the password. Okay, just tick this box here to agree to terms and conditions. Okay, so there's a video here that talks about to secure your wallet. This is very important. So what I'll do, I'll just play this video as part of the tutorial so you can understand exactly what this is about securing your wallet.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
Okay, so that goes to show how important your recovery phrase is, and you keep it in a safe location. So on the side here it says you can save it in the password manager, store in a bank vault, store in a safe deposit box, or write down and store in the multiple secret places. Okay, very important that you do that. Okay, so the secret recovery phrase will flash up on the screen. This is just a test installation. So what you need to do is to be ready to write it down. So your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. So click to reveal, but I'll click on remind me later as this is a test account and I don't want to reveal the secret words. Okay, so it just goes over some new updates and functionality within the wallet. Okay, so here we are. This is the wallet, and there's nothing in it at the moment. If you look up here, this is your account where you can send funds to. So this is very important that you go here and copy this, and so you can send any digital assets to your MetaMask wallet. You can buy via these channels here, whether it's Ethereum or you deposit money directly into your account. There's different options here. Some of them will have transactional fees if you would like to do so. Okay, so the main network that you will be on will be Ethereum mainnet, which is the Ethereum network blockchain, because this is a wallet that encapsulates all Ethereum based coins and tokens. You can swap, so you can swap Ethereum or any other asset that you have in your wallet into these for another token. So that's really good. There's going to be a fee to do the swap as well, so be mindful of that. Okay, so what I want to show you is how to have any Avinoc tokens that you can add into your wallet. So in order to do so, you need to go to import tokens, but you need a contract on the Ethereum blockchain to be able to do that. So what I've done is I've got a tab up here. If you type in Etherscan, it's like an analytics application that views all the transactions on the blockchain, Ethereum based transactions. At the same time, you can add tokens to your wallet by just searching for that particular asset. So if I put in Avinoc on the search bar here, Avinoc comes up as a ERC20 token, and what you need to really focus on is the contract. This is a contract for the token on the blockchain, and you need to copy this contract address. Just go to copy address, it's copied, and then you go back to your MetaMask, and if you want to import that particular token into your wallet, you just go to import token, and if you were to type in Avinoc as a normal search, you wouldn't normally find it, because not all tokens are listed within MetaMask for you to find. So you go to custom token, and you just need to paste in that contract you copied from Etherscan. So it automatically populates the token symbol, the token decimal as well. And you go down to add custom token. It's found it. It's right there. Import token. Okay, so within your account you have the Avinoc capability to send or receive. You can receive as well. So if I was to go back to here within your account, we have a role for Avinoc. So what you can do is to send any Avinoc token that you've bought from an exchange, or any Avinoc token that you've transferred out from your back office in Sapphire. You just send it to this address here. Just copy the clip to the clipboard, and then that's where you send it to, and it will arrive and show up as your list of assets as well. Okay, so hope that makes it clear and straightforward for you. Any questions, let me know. Okay, there's an extra bit here that I alluded to as well. So for you to access your MetaMask, what you can do is, if I come out of here and to exit, you can lock the account so you can come back in, or you can just look for the MetaMask icon within this part of your browser, the Chrome browser. You can see it there as an extension. What you can do, and which I advise you to, is to pin it. So once you've pinned it, it will show up on your browser, so you don't have to go to the extension icon here. It will automatically show up, and you click on that, and then you could just it pops down. Just type in your password, and it unlocks your wallet, and voila, here you are. One of the best things is that when you go to a website like Sapphire or any Web3 website, you just connect your browser to it. So it asks you, say, can I connect to that website, and you will see it connected. It's very important to do that. Obviously my backup secret recovery phrase, I haven't done that, I haven't revealed it, but I will do as well. But you can, if you want, if you've lost it for any reason, you can go to account details, obviously export. I think there's another way you can do it. Expand view is a really good option as well. So when you expand the view, it's best to always expand in the view. So expand the view to enable you to see everything while you're doing any work on your wallet or and so forth. If I go back to account details, export private key. No, I don't want to do that. That's the address of your wallet. But I'll probably do another video regarding your secret passphrases as well. Okay. All right, that's it. When you finish, when you go finish whatever you're doing on any site, do not leave your laptop open. You have to be secure, so you can just go to lock, and that stops anyone accessing your wallet if you're away from your laptop. But I always shut down the tab, make sure everything's switched off. That's it.